Hi Diana.
Hey!
How have you been?
You don't want to know. I've been busy on set and at the same time cleaning up the house. Such a hassle. On top of that, I have laundry piling up. Okay, I'm gonna go sort out my laundry. You wanna come with me?
Yeah, of course. Doing laundry can take a lot of our time.
I have a solution for you. Let me show you.
What's this?
Let me introduce you to the latest LG Objet WashTower. It's so useful because I can wash and dry my clothes at the same time. And not to mention, the stylish stack design is space-saving too. The LG AIDD technology is amazing. It can detect the fabric type and recommend suitable wash cycle. So I don't have to guess which cycle to use or worry about any fabric damage. It saves me a lot of time by not having to set up fabric types.
Mommy,
Yes, darling?
you.
Sure, baby.
It looks like she wants to help as well.
That's right, it's so easy to operate. The controls are easy to use and the touchscreen display is very responsive. It's easy to reach. Even my daughter can do the laundry now. See, even Angus can do it, right? I think that's Kartini.
Hi Diana.
Hi.
I hope I'm not intruding.
No, not at all. Just doing the laundry. Angus, come see our auntie. There you go. Bye-bye. Okay, continue playing.
How are you and how are your daughter's skin allergies?
I'm good and the skin has improved tremendously too, especially after using the LG Objet WashTower.
That's good. I frequently encounter patients dealing with skin irritation and rashes due to allergies. While most are aware that some allergies can be triggered by food, they can actually also stem from airborne pollutants, dust mites in homes, and even clothing. If left untreated, these issues can be quite troublesome. So it's essential to address them early on.
And that's why I use the LG Objet WashTower. It has an Allergy Care cycle approved by the British Allergy Foundation. It reduces 99.9% house dust mites which may cause allergies or respiratory issues.
Yes, that's right. British Allergy Foundation is a trusted organization that recognizes products and to reassure us that it is scientifically proven to be effective at reducing and removing allergens.
Oh wow, I'm relieved to know our clothes are being protected and well taken care of. Oh, my lunch is ready. I'll be right back, okay?
Sure.
Very good.
Wait, how do you know that?
Because the LG Objet WashTower has a ThinQ app that allows me to control and monitor it remotely. Now that it's done, I can easily get it dry with a dry attach. How convenient! There's only one that I trust now, and it's a simple choice. LG Objet WashTower is simply the smartest choice for you and your family.